today I'll show you my album inside the frame. So this is the frame. I used the Elizabeth craft designs for my frame, and actually decided to have it a black frame, or to make a black frame out of it. So inside, as you can see, this is the album, the congratulatory album that I made for my eldest son, Kyle. If you want to open this one, I used this button as one of my element or embellishment for this output. So I used a Velcro to attach both of this. So there you are. Okay, so when you open this one, you will see the die cut here, the congratulations die cut, the hat, and this one also. They are all with dimension. I use a foam tape to have a dimension for this, and including this one also, except the star one, my blings or I mean the shimmers that I used there. So this collection, the collection that you've seen here, that the die cuts are from the Little Birdie. I forgot what is the name of the collection, but it's all about graduation here. So you can see accordion to the left, going to the left, and accordion going to the right there. And at the middle, as you can see that I still have two more flops, okay, for this. Okay, so let's discuss the details. Okay, for my first accordion here, so I have here three portion, 1, 2, 3. So first, I add a packet insert here and added tags. So as you can see, all the pages that I have a packet insert, I put all with tags. I told my son that he could use it to fill in or to write something about the photos that was or were shown in each pages. Okay, so these are as you can see, these are the programs that my son attended during his graduation. There I added foam tape here to have the dimension, because they have virtual graduation because of the pandemic. Then this one, I die cut the photo here. And this one, as you can see, my base, I added a modeling paste here. I used a star stencil. Then I put the modeling paste here and also on this part. Okay, so I have two parts which I use a stencil as part of my mixed medium for the challenge. Okay, and then this is from the old collection, or from the graduation collection from last 2 months, I guess, or yes, last 2 months. From this one is cut from die cut from Cricut, using Cricut. I only added this one. I used the circle puncher and gold paper for this. Okay, this one I die cut this one also, and this one is a sticker. I added only some label, level up to high school. HS is meant for high school. Okay, then I added tag again. Okay, then on the right side, so again, this is stenciled with modeling paste. Okay, there. Then these are the photos that I used. Okay, another packet. Then I added a tag. Okay, this one, I don't know. I think this is open. Okay. Then, when we try to extend this one, oh, I have still the packet insert here. Then another tag. Then some die cuts here. Then I added dimension here. I die cut this photo there and have a flip here, flip page. Okay, so there, this one is a sticker. Okay, now that's part of the program. Then this one, as you can see, this page, this flipped again, flipping page. Then I attach the tag here and put some holes, attach it to my page, and I added this twine to bind them. Okay, then you put the writings on it. Okay, this one is layered. Okay, there you have it. Okay, then on the middle part, okay, in the middle part, I put a foam tape also for this tree. I wanted to have a dimension because my base card is very have a design already, so I wanted to emphasize. So that's why I used the foam tape to this. Then it has a packet insert also. There, I leave it here empty. I don't know if my eldest will put some writings on it or add some ephemeras or any elements, including this one. So he graduated this June 2021. I added some star embellishment here. Then this one is sticker, another die cut with foam. This one is with foam. So this one is sticker. Then as you can see, the number or the day he graduated, I didn't use any highlighter to highlight the day. Instead, I used the fairy drop or clear drop to magnify the day. So it's June 18, 2021. So there you have it. This is my album inside the frame. So hope you like it. Bye!